What's up, guys? We're out here at Bear Yacht Club. Bennett, Smed got us on today. Known him for a couple of years now, and just want to say thanks to you for allowing us to come out here and film. Never been on property here, but I've heard a bunch of really cool things, and so I'm excited to go play and kind of see what it's about.
Yeah, glad to have you guys out. It's gonna be fun.
Do it.
I don't know. Good strike.
Go!
I think so.
We'll see.
I think that's there.
Just don't know how much it's spun. It's just the G instead of the STZ.
Yep.
So it's just like they're ultra low. Scoot.
Oh, right in the middle.
All right, good putt.
Thank you. Stay up. Oh.
Wow. That is unfortunate.
Good putt.
So I've always looked at like down the line videos.
Yeah.
But I started looking at face on videos more often.
Yeah.
And I feel like that's where like all the gold is. Because I look at my setup and I'm like, with driver, I was like this. I was like almost like this.
Stacked on the lead side a little more.
And I'm like, now I'm like trying to get more back here.
Yep.
Man,
well, that's
just in my range session this morning. I jumped up 6 mile an hour club speed.
Yeah.
And
well, because you're gonna load more efficiently doing that. You're gonna everything's
right
down the line. I tell a lot of people I teach too. It's like down the line, you can kind of always make that look somewhat okay.
Right.
Like face on is where all the money is.
Yeah.
That'll reveal what's going on. All right, little help. See if we can cut one.
Beauty.
That'll work.
You what are the most picturesque holes out here?
Ooh, number 3, the next one, little short par 3 is pretty awesome.
Alex, you bring the drone? Let's go.
That one's pretty cool. Got a good golf bridge on the next one too. Love a good bridge. Otherwise,
I might walk that bridge.
Need a good bridge walk.
Yep.
There's a couple. Yep. Love it.
Sweet.
Is that flight different than your old setup or not? Is it? Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
I'm just using more athletic ability.
What was it? 117, I think. Down. So we can put her in the breadbasket. Oh, go a little.
Go a tad.
All right.
Not bad. Fly.
That's it. All right. Little right to left here.
They move?
Too much, yep.
It's fine. Good speed.
All right, knock it in.
It did go left.
Just kind of drifted that way?
Yeah, I saw it like in the middle right here, but I was like, I just didn't think it would.
All right, it's 4 on number 2 is always okay. This is the tee shot on this course that I try to teach people how to hit the most.
Yeah.
Because the out of bounds on the right just like lives in people's heads.
Sure.
And then they go, well, if I don't hit it out there, then I pull it in the trees left.
Well, it helps it's red on the right.
Yeah.
I mean, if it was actual. Looks great. Oh my God.
Ooh.
Oh.
Ooh.
That had some spin.
That would have been intriguing. Good strike. Yeah, sweet. Whoops.
Keep coming.
Oh, kind of tried to. Took a
At the end, yeah.
funny little hop. No harm.
3's a 3.
3's a 3. 3's are good.
Oh, it did not turn at all.
Oh,
Really?
we're scaring it.
Yeah. Whew.
Big Turk over there. A little bit of pushing left to right wind as well. But
It's gotta be perfect, yeah?
yeah, it should be just fine. You can go right at that as well.
Okay.
Should kind of bounce off the hill a little
Yeah,
bit. Yep.
shot.
A1. Pretty sweet. Yeah, should be just fine. Oh, the heel laser. Get to the front. All right.
All right.
No harm. Little heely.
4-iron layup and a divot, so let's see where this goes. It should.
Yep, all good.
Okay.
Straightforward west shot.
Awesome. Wow. Go! All right, 15, 20 feet. Just chunked it a little.
All right, pretty straightforward.
Yeah. Shot.
Oh, good roll.
Thanks. Man.
Just kind of a little right at the end, huh?
Yeah.
All right, straight up the.
Yeah. Nice.
Thank you. How about that one, Matt, with the broomstick? Come on. Yuck. It's gonna be a long way home, but she's gonna be fine.
That's fine.
That'll be perfect. It'll feed down to the right. Should get down to the flat. Ah, a little short. Shoot.
Oh no. Just get over those bunkers.
Catch a piece. Oh yeah.
Oh, that's fine.
Fine. Yep. Yeah, it's an awkward
ball
away.
like,
Yeah, so this is.
yeah. Oh, I'm just off.
Yep, just short there, and then I'm over there. So
Let's
that's,
chip that. Let's see. Did I just ruin that clip?
too much. Sit. All right, that's okay. Oh, good check. Do it.
Woo! All right.
Don't need to see that.
Thank you.
Well done. All right, a little drippy one down there.
Yeah. They roll.
Thank you.
Rolling that thing nice.
Yeah, it feels good.
Coming off nice.
Oh boy.
Don't plug. Catch a piece. I think it's fine. Oh no. Oh, stay right there.
Hang on. All right, we'll see.
We'll see.
Sauce. Pretty tidy there.
Putt.
That was a good roll. I'll take that.
Ooh. Did I get you?
Nope, you're good.
Very good.
I'm gonna swipe her out of the air.
I didn't know if you were going to or not. So this is going to be the green right here?
This is all gonna be green, yep.
Okay.
So we're just letting it grow.
That's got to be perfect, yeah?
Yeah, that should be good.
Nice. Oh, that was hit too good.
That was hammered.
Oh, we'll see.
Okay, if it bounced right, it's fine. We'll see. All right, pretty good. Yeah, just up there short. Be there?
Looks great.
Ooh, should be good.
Yeah.
Go. Ah, stay there. Tight.
Man.
Tight down there.
Wow. Go.
Oh, had it.
Man. How bad was that short game performance?
Pushed it.
All right. 4's a 4.
4's a 4. Kind of scored it right. I like the shape of this wedge. That's nice.
Same stuff.
Rinse and repeat.
Yep.
And come around.
Man, I've been doing that way too often.
Okay, that was plenty of club.
Is that over the bunker?
That's over the bunker.
Okay.
So either on the green or there's just a little rough there.
Okay, perfect.
Go?
I don't think so. Looks like it's kind of carrying.
Whoa. Okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
Maybe we didn't feel the wind.
I know.
Because there's 5 par 5s out here, but there's, but yeah, it's 11's really cool.
Keep coming. Oh, sit.
Settle ball. Sit.
Oh, it's kind of actually fast.
Not enough. Sit.
Good speed.
Okay. A lot of wiggle on that one.
Also still trying to figure out how my 8-iron got that far.
Just juiced it.
Just juiced it. All right, right to left. Give it some speed.
Yeah, good save.
Thanks. They roll good for being top dressed a couple days ago.
Yeah, no, they're They do.
I mean,
roll.
honestly, top dressing almost makes it better, but
Our superintendent, Jared, he started the same year I got.
oh no,
It's that.
that was smoked.
That was killed. Yeah. How are you, sir?
Good. We're just driving. Man, was that good.
Wind should help a little.
Can't see. You ever thought about becoming like a PGA professional?
Oh, I love that. Just go in the hole.
Go a little.
And clip the branch? Oh, I think you got some claps.
You know, I heard some claps, but I also heard a branch.
I also heard branch.
Which,
But the claps came after the branch.
I also feel like that branch is like, isn't it like 50 short of the green?
Yeah, that's confusing to me. Oh, I gotta get it there though.
Is that how do you always line it up like that?
What do you mean?
Where it's like sitting like on the bottom?
Under the ball?
Yeah.
That's a new thing because I find so when I put the line down, a bunch of times I get over the ball and it looks left
Yeah.
to me.
Right.
So I was. Yeah! Yeah,
That's fine.
that'll be fine.
Mini driver fine here, you think?
What's up?
Mini driver?
Yeah, you can send it up there. Yep. That'll do. Down?
I think it's good.
I don't know. Nippy? Yeah, see.
Should be good.
Go. Climb, baby.
All right.
Shoot.
It's fine.
Good roll. Yes, sir. Stay hot.
Sweet. This place is awesome. Like truly. I'm not just saying it.
No, I appreciate it.
It's actually unbelievable.
It's a fun place. Hang there. Okay, fine. Oh, go.
Don't catch a gust. It kind of did.
Oh,
That's fine.
okay.
Good shot.
Hit it.
Oh, good putt.
Ooh, thank you.
Yep.
Good pace. Good run.
I knew I probably
Easy
needed
three.
to put it out a little bit more.
So we do like our like greenskeeper's revenge thing is called the Angry Bear.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is you either love this tee shot or you hate it.
I love
It
it.
gives me anxiety. I try to get this shot over as fast as possible. Yep. There's 10 stories up there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right there, hang on.
I think the wind's a little off the right too.
Yeah,
so
it should be fine. That was a little heely.
Oh yeah, plenty fine.
Yep, fine. Oh, that was hit well. Just pushed it. Kick it left.
We'll see.
Yeah, we'll see. I like a lot of it.
Should be pretty good. We'll see.
I like a lot of it. Left to right, swinging pretty good here. Let's see. Not our best. Settle?
Right.
Fine. Creep. Creep. No, good putt.
A little slower than I thought.
Good. All right, left edge here.
Putt.
Thank you.
Beauty.
Thank you.
Great shot. Here you go.
Good there. Thank you. Yep. Right there. Flynn, if you catch us, come through.
I don't know if that's gonna get down there.
It's a little floaty.
It floated a ton at the end right there.
Okay. I mean, if you are up on the top little level, that's, you know, it's still 4-iron in instead of 6. But
Right. Like these are the tee shots right here that I wish I could like
just let it rip.
just let it rip.
Yeah.
But it's like you got trouble both sides.
Yeah.
It's like you just get guidance.
The first couple times I played this course, like this tee shot freaks me out so much because it's almost too straight.
Right. Yeah.
Where it's like, oh, there's OB over there, and there's whatever where the wild things are on the left. Like, I don't know where to aim.
Right.
And then I'm like, okay, you know you fade the ball. Like, aim up the left and trust you're gonna fade the ball.
Right.
That was sexy.
Be good. Oh, that landed soft.
No, you're right in the middle.
Yeah.
Good shot.
That's fine.
Great shot.
Thanks.
Blooper reel.
So awkward. I have to like hit down on this thing.
Slap down on it. One more time.
We hit one more.
One more time.
This should be fine.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go make sure he doesn't hit into us back there. Oh. Also kind of sick. Oh, that could be pretty cool.
Wow. Class.
Ooh, we got a wow from the playing partner. That was pretty cool. You gonna walk it in? God, that's sick.
Come on.
Second eagle of the day for my boy.
Let's go, baby.
Great putt.
Thanks. I said, Alex.
When, not if.
Why not it? All right, knock it in.
I try to keep pace. Oh, I pushed it.
Shoot. Touch. All right.
Dang it. I don't know if I was lined up there.
See?
Just a little bit right of the flag.
Get a little left. Wind's kind of gotten a little bit too.
Should
be fine, I think.
Fine up there, yeah.
Oh,
that
baby,
could be
keep
good.
cutting.
Kick it right.
Just a hair. Oh yeah. Could that be really good?
Could be.
That looks sweet.
Depends on what it did once it got on the ground, but
Yeah. Looked great.
did what I wanted to do with it.
It's pretty sweet. Keep coming. Ah, good three.
Gosh, give me a bib. Good putt.
Thanks.
It's a sweet up and down.
Sweet. That was sweet.
Two very different threes on that
That
one.
was very, very different ways to make. Okay.
And
Do you have
then
room right?
you have a little bit of room
Or
right.
sorry, left.
Not a ton.
Okay.
So this is probably the hardest tee shot on the course,
Sure.
I would say, if you had to rank them.
Okay. Where those kids are at right now?
Yep.
How far is it? We can get to them or no?
390 probably.
Oh, sure. Okay.
Kind of like that.
Yep, that's
The
perfect.
big spinny cut.
Great shot.
That's just got to get on the ground a little bit. That's fine. Yeah, that's perfect.
Yeah.
Going on. 4 under right now, so that's good. I am cheating. I'm anchoring it every putt. Super anchored. I don't know where the flag is. We're gonna hit this.
You hit a 3-wood?
No, I hit my driver because I'm weak. I gotta go back to lifetime. No free ads.
Is that good?
Could be.
If the pin is on the left side, you'll be 500.
I think it's on the right.
I was
isn't
right
it?
on it.
I think it's on the right.
How you doing, bro?
I'm good. How about you? Good to see you.
Good to see you.
How you doing out here? Enjoying it?
First time out here.
He's never been.
Yeah.
This place is awesome.
Yeah, it's great.
How'd it come out?
Giddy up.
Nope. Don't giddy up.
Attaboy.
Well, if you wanted it to go in the hole,
That had to giddy up.
it giddied up
Giddied
for
up.
you.
No way.
Oh,
Come on.
good try.
I think it hit something.
What's that? Mrs. Meter would have made that one. She's a good putter though.
Gotta be good at
See, look at that. It wiggles back. It wiggles.
Perfect.
Should be good.
Yep.
Oh, jeez. Do you see it?
No.
Okay, it's left.
This is spinny. Oh. Oh yeah. Great shot.
Good bounce.
It kicked down and right too.
Yeah. Nice.
Oh shit.
worked out.
Wrong side, but whatever.
Keep coming.
Wow.
Oh, just slowed up on you.
Yeah.
Oh, it squirted right again.
Right away.
Shoot. All right.
Another tap in 4 though.
Tap and 4s are good.
Yeah. Nope. Right off the face.
Yeah. Squirt.
Yeah, just
Squirted right on you.
pushed it.
Yep. Doink. Yeah, I usually don't chip with anything longer than 50 degree, which
Yeah.
I probably should experiment with it.
Yeah, you should.
I've been trying to use 50 degree more. Oh,
This is pretty, man.
good hole. Hard hole. Oh, I get down.
Is that 5?
Yeah, little one. Yep, just long. I'll be good.
Keep this one rolling, Alex.
Wow. Pretty
Get it going?
sweet.
Thanks. Man, that was close to going in.
Oh, it didn't move. Shoot.
Good speed.
Darn.
All right.
Just didn't move.
All right, where am I aiming here?
So the bear on the top of the hill,
Yep.
that's directly in the middle of the fairway. And whichever direction the bear's nose is pointing is what side of the green the flag is on. So we're
Okay.
like left middle flag right now.
All right.
So right over the bear's a
Good
perfect
spot.
line, and you can let her buck.
Okay.
It
Dude.
might be like over the green.
That,
That was
hopefully they're off the
killed.
green.
Yeah. I'll take the blame. Then they'll go, man, teaching pro can hit it a long way. Yeah, that was sweet.
Beauty. Great shot.
Should be good, I think.
Yeah.
All right, we'll see.
Oof. Dude, that ball was murdered. I hope I didn't kill someone, actually. Come on. Oh, great shot.
Ooh. Okay, there we go.
Ooh. Sit.
Good shot.
Thanks.
Doink.
Sweet. It's fun.
Awesome, buddy.
Thanks for having
Thank you. Thanks for coming. That was fun.
That was really fun.
Thanks, Alex.
Shout out White Bear Yacht Club. Thank you, Alex. On to the next one.